is me, Maya. How are you doing? I want to share a story about trying again and not giving up. It was a beautiful sunny day. The sky was bright blue. A warm breeze was blowing. I went to the park with my mummy. The park was full of children playing. I could hear laughing and shouting. I walked past the swings and the slide. Then I saw the monkey bars. The monkey bars were tall with red metal bars in a row. Below the monkey bars there was soft brown sand. I stopped and watched. There were older children swinging across the bars. They looked about 8 or 9 years old. They grabbed one bar, then swung to the next bar, then the next bar. They moved so quickly and easily. They made it all the way across without stopping. I thought, they make it look so easy. They swing from bar to bar without stopping. I wanted to try, but I also felt nervous. I thought, I want to try. But what if I cannot do it? My hands started to feel sweaty. I walked closer to the monkey bars. I stood underneath them. They looked very high. I reached up and grabbed the first bar. The metal felt cool, smooth, and hard in my hands. I pulled myself up. My feet were swinging down. I was hanging. My arms felt shaky. My heart beat fast in my chest. I reached for the second bar with my right hand. I stretched as far as I could, but my hand was sweaty and slippery. I could not hold on. I fell. I landed on the soft sand below. I sat there for a moment. I felt disappointed. I thought, that was hard. My arms felt tired already. Then I heard a voice. A girl was standing next to me. She looked about 8 years old. She had a ponytail and was wearing a green t-shirt and shorts. She had just finished swinging across the monkey bars. She said, "Are you okay?" I nodded. I said, "Yes. I wanted to swing across like you, but I fell." The girl smiled kindly. She said, "The monkey bars are hard. I fell lots of times when I first tried." I looked at her, surprised. I said, "Really?" She said, "Yes. But I kept trying. You should try again. You can do it." I felt encouraged. I said, "Okay, I will try again." I stood up and brushed the sand off my clothes. I reached up and grabbed the first bar again. I pulled myself up. This time, I held on tighter. I reached for the second bar. I grabbed it. My fingers hurt from gripping so hard. I tried to reach for the third bar. My arms were shaking. I fell down again. I landed on the soft sand. But this time, I did not feel as disappointed. I reached one more bar than before. I stood up quickly. I tried again. This time, I made it to the second bar again. Then I tried for the third bar. I stretched my arms across. I grabbed it, but I could not hold on. I fell. My breathing was heavy. My arms felt very tired, but I did not give up. I tried one more time. I grabbed the first bar, then the second bar, then the third bar. Then I reached for the fourth bar. I grabbed it. I was halfway across. Then my fingers slipped. I fell onto the sand again. But this time I jumped up with excitement. I shouted, I did it. I made it halfway. The girl in the green t-shirt clapped her hands. She said, "Well done. You are getting better already." I smiled so big. I said, "Thank you for telling me to try again." She said, "You are welcome. Keep practicing. Soon you will make it all the way across." My mummy walked over from the bench. She had been watching. She said, "I saw you trying the monkey bars, Maya. You kept going even when you fell." I said, "It was hard, but I made it halfway." My mummy smiled. She said, "I am proud of you. You did not give up." My arms were tired, but my heart felt so full. I learned something important that day. When I watched the older children, it looked easy, but when I tried, it was much harder than I thought. That is okay. Everyone starts somewhere. I also learned that falling down is part of learning. I fell many times. At first, I felt frustrated. But falling is part of learning something new. Each time I fell, I learned something. The most important thing I learned is that trying again helps you improve. The first time, I could not hold on. The second time, I reached one more bar. Each time I tried, I got a little bit better. Trying again and again is how we can learn new things. Even if we do not get all the way across today, we can keep practicing and get better. I cannot wait to go back to the park and try again. Maybe next time, I will make it even further. Have you ever tried something that felt hard at first? What do you do when you fall or make a mistake? Next time I will tell you about a new story. Goodbye.